this conference. Okay, so thanks everyone for joining. So this is a quick session in which we provide some of the real estate investment strategies and also provide you some of the opportunities. So today is March 14th, Thursday, 2024. So this is my short profile. So I have education both in the finance side as well as in the technical side. I am also involved in real estate investment from last 20 years. I have a home building company, Next Gen Properties, which is currently building a home. And also I'm in real estate investment manager for a new startup, which is Next Gen Real Estate Investments, through which we basically collect the pool of investors like 10 or 20 and either build home or buy investment properties, and so that everyone can get the revenue without going to the bank. I'm a licensed real estate agent in Texas. So these are the languages that I speak fluently. The reason I speak French because I'm a French citizen as well. This is my contact in case anyone would like to reach out to me. I provide you guidance on the real estate investments, but some of the focus area that I have where I know more about the market are like Epic 2. Epic 2 is a small city that is going to be developed in near Farmersville, Josephine, Caddo Mills. And over there are a lot of development going on. Canyon Creek, this is a neighborhood. So Canyon Creek is a neighborhood in Granbury, Texas. So Granbury is on the west side of Fort Worth. So it is like around 45-50 miles away, and a lot of population growth is going on over there. So from last few years, like the population increased from 5,000-6,000 to like around 20,000+, and even HEB arrived over there. So so this is a lake community. So we are building like smaller homes over there.
देखिए इसमें गोल्डन कलर भी है, इसमें रेड कलर भी है, इसमें येलो भी है और व्हाइट तो ऑब्वियसली आपको नजर ही आ रहा होगा, खूबसूरत
ये grapevine. Yeah, this is grapevine lake. Yeah.
Brother Yasir, you need to put yourself on mute.
I did it. Okay. So now the retreat, this is a neighborhood in Claiborne and Sherman. So this is like the high-tech area. So I am exploring some opportunities over there. So I found some opportunities, but was not successful in purchasing it because we were outbid. So like moving to next page. So this provides like some of the focused area that I have. So this is like Farmersville, Josephine. So a lot of growth going on this area. Sherman South, where Texas Instrument as well as Globitech and other chip manufacturing industry is moving. So like the prices are shooting up. Also like there are a lot of neighborhoods going on just north of Sherman near Denison and the Lake Texoma. Apart from this is Granbury, where we are currently building homes. And this is Claiborne. Claiborne is one of the most southmost suburb of DFW. And this is also Claiborne, and there is a community called Retreat. It's like 3,000-acre gated community, which is fully secured, and like high-end homes have been constructed. So we have purchased several lands over there. I plan to build homes in the near future. This is Lake Whitney, considered as the second most beautiful lake in Texas. And like so we have like a number of properties. So like with our group and our business partners, we all together we have almost 500 plus residential lots that are developed, ready to build homes. So this is at this point, what I know is the largest gated community in Texas. So 3,500 acre with 6,000 lots. And like the reason we started acquiring, because there we are finding very extremely good deals over here. So we are trying to buy more and more with, and also our investors, so that we can start building. And once we have some companies that have started moving in the southern side, the prices will significantly appreciate because the employees will not just live nearby their company, they would like to live in the resort area where you have golf courses and other things. And I will share you some photos. So one of the thing when you are a real estate investor, you need to always remember is like there are strategies in real estate investments. Like whenever you're investing money, you need to understand, is it a short-term opportunity, mid-term or long-term? So when we are talking about the short-term opportunity, the tenure is less than 2 years. It means like you are either buying a home, fixing it and flipping it. So that's come under that category. You have you build a new home. So you basically partner with a builder and build a home. You either share the money or like put your money and then sell it and make profit, or you book a new home project and until it's built, the price appreciates and you sell it. So these are short-term opportunities. These are little riskier, but you have reward also, and you basically go on those opportunities when you need your money back within 2 years so that you can reinvest or you can use that money for some other purpose. Midterm is when you have time that you can hold the money from two plus years. So what you do, you purchase large land like 50 acre, 100 acres, or 150 acres, and then work with the lot developers in order to convert them into smaller lots, zoning change, etc., and then sell the entire smaller lots projects to a builder who can start building homes. Or you can buy lots like individual lots in a high demand area such as like Frisco, Plano, Salina, Prosper, and then like every few years, the prices are increasing. You sell it and you make profit. So this is for the midterm. Long term is if you have money to hold for a long term, so it will grow. So you will have a better chances of overall growth. But it's something that you don't need a money for yourself, for your studies, for your kids and others. Then you can go with that opportunity. So it's similar to land purchase and hold it, but here you are holding for more longer time, 5+ years, because these are medium to low demand areas. Apart from that, you purchase rental properties, either residential or business, and hold them for a longer term. And then you can create equity in the company and you can sell it afterwards. So now, in order to have a balanced portfolio, it all depends on your circumstances. For example, if you are a salaried individual, you and your wife are doing job or you are doing job and you have enough salary that you can have your living, then you can take more risk. So you can put whatever savings you have, that 25% into short term, mid term, long term hold. So I'm talking about the real estate portfolio. If you do like stocks or any other thing, so that's separate. You can divide accordingly, maybe in the same way, but this is how you can do it for real estate. However, if you are a investor who had invested and now you don't do a job and all your earnings are from the rental investment that you have done, long term rental, then you don't want to take more risk like this one, but you can take less risk. So try to create like 20% into long term hold opportunity that I mentioned, and 10% on short term or mid term, or like 20% in one of those. So this is basically what we suggest. And like in one of the opportunities that we would like to discuss is like Epic. So Epic is one development that is going on near Josephine, uh, Farmersville, and Caddo Mills area. So I found like some opportunities that I feel that are very good and worth sharing. So I will be providing them to you. So the first one is like the one of the use case will be you can buy it for your primary residence or short-term hold and conversion. So these are the opportunities. So I found like the DR Horton neighborhood. The address is in Josephine, but I believe like the home that they are building, they are in Caddo Mills. And Caddo Mills is another county, which is on the east side of Collin County. And the school that we have over there, it's the best school in the entire county versus the schools in Josephine and Farmersville. So, if you would like to go with a better school, look for those opportunities. And another one is Waverly Estates. These are the homes built by uh, Waverly Estates from Bloomington Homes, and they are from 2,000 to 4,000 square feet. So the prices are very affordable, and I will go and share with you over here. And there are also three homes that I found that are very, very near to Epic too, which if you are interested for buying for yourself or for future investment, I think that's a good price range. So let me go to my browser and share with you what I'm talking about. So this is see like over here some of the projects that we have. So when we are talking about the Epic 2, so the Epic 2 area is like this is where many things are coming in terms of future prospect. So I found like there are two opportunities. One is this one, Waverly State, that I shared, and this is Riverfield, which is in Caddo Mill. So Caddo Mill, if you can see, the city is just on the east side of Josephine. So, and you like there is a future road that is going to be built 2720 that will connect it over here. And here is the Epic 2 will be built. So if you are buying something over here, so you can go in a route and come to that place. Or if you are this or if you are living even in this neighborhood, this one, so this one you take north and come over here. And so these are like maybe like 5-6 minutes distance. So two very good projects. In case you are interested, you can contact me and I can submit your offer for those homes. uh, Another project, these are the Waverly States. So if you need a little executive homes, as I mentioned to you, like this one will be in the south of Josephine, only like 5 minutes away from this main location. So over here in the Waverly States, you have homes that are starting from uh, 2,000 to uh, 4,000 square feet. And the price range is 404 to 579. So I have shared you the link where you can see the videos, you can see the quality. However, I have talked to them and you cannot buy the homes if you are buying them as an investment. So they are only selling it if you want to make it as your primary home. So as compared to whatever is selling in this Josephine area, like here things are like extremely high price. So like buying a home over here, which is very near, like maybe 5 minutes from this location, or on this side with the other property, you are basically saving a lot of money when they can still be at Epic 2 within 5 minutes of distance. So the third thing that I wanted to share with you are like the individual homes. So these I found like three homes that are listed for sale. First one is this one. So this is basically is the cost of the land. So we need to ask the seller that if they can only sell the land and take out this mobile home away, because we are interested in the land. So this is almost 3 acre land, 3.1. No, sorry, this one is 1.5 acre. So let me show you the one which is on 3 acre one. Yeah, so this one is a better one. So this one is basically a 2 acre lot. They are asking for 262. Maybe like only the lot they can sell it for 200. Sorry, 100,000 or 120,000. And in this county, so this home is located over here. So let me tell you exactly. So this home is located here, just here, where my mouse is here. It's in the corner of this street and this street. So what you can do, you can just take this 2716 North, go over here, and this is the future road plan. You come here and you will go to Epic. So here, if you like want, we can work with the seller and negotiate only the land price. And with 2 acre in the future, you can subdivide into 1 acre and 1 acre. We cannot go less than 1 acre in this county, in this side of the area. So that I've confirmed with the zoning restrictions. And then I found one other home that I think worthwhile sharing. So this is something, if you want, you can buy. And So this is like 600,000, 599,000. So this is like the closest. Just you are living here, and you take a road, and in 2 minutes or 1 minute, you are at the Epic 2. So this is the closest home, and it was listed just today in the morning. So I don't know, like, will it stay for long or not. So it sits on 1.2 acre and 2,700 square feet. You cannot subdivide the lot into multiple lots, but what you can do, you can do the extension and make this home bigger than 2,700. So you can maybe extend it from this side or on the right side, and it can become a bigger home. So the price is 599. It's like reasonably priced if that can be purchased for the same one. Okay, so we will move to the next opportunity right now. And before that, I will give you time so that if you have any questions, I can answer you until what we have covered so far. Yes, please. Any questions from anyone?
So, brother, like for Epic 2.0, right? What is
Yeah.
the timeline? Because now, if we buy now, if it takes like 5-10 years to make, then we're holding for a long time, right?
Yeah, so I think the timeline for construction is between 2 to 5 years. It means like it will take around 2 years to get all the zoning, 1.5 to 2 years zoning permissions and everything ready, and then they will start developing the infrastructure. So what my expectation is, based on what I've heard, I cannot commit to it, but within like 2 to 3 years, you will start seeing construction going on over there. So right now, the better opportunity is like if you can find something closer to it, buy it and hold it. And don't put because since you cannot get out, you get your money back because it will be spent on a land. So if you have funds available, that if you can invest over here and it's not hurting your day-to-day living, that's the best time. However, since things are getting so expensive, even like some builders, they are having 1 acre plus lands which are like 7 or 8 minutes away, and they are selling it for 275. So versus if you can go and try to find opportunities such as the one that I mentioned. I'm not talking about this one because it's a pre-built home, but I'm talking about the other one. So this one is already gone. So it was listed for 300,000, and I don't know like it's gone for how much, but it was gone for like way for like 500 or 600,000. This one. So what I suggest, so there are other areas. This will be the Epic 2. Why not consider buying things on this side, especially like this one also, like you can drive over here if you are okay to drive 6-7 minutes. This will be like 7-8 minutes, but because this road will be connected, and this Caddo Mill area, the school over here is like the highly rated. So it's like the best school in this county. It's not Collin County, it's the other county. Whereas the public school on this side, they are very average rating. Yes. Am I able to answer your question?
Yes, brother.
Okay. Any other question from anyone?
So just out of curiosity, what exactly is this Epic 2? Is there any specific development that is going to be coming up there?
Sorry, can you please ask the question?
So what exactly is this Epic 2?
Oh, okay,
I
yeah,
mean,
yeah. So Epic 2 is basically they have like the largest Islamic association coming over there. So that's why this thing over here is getting like very it's like going crazy in the prices in the surrounding.
okay, thank you.
Yeah, it will be the largest in DFW.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, so so this is about the Epic. So since this has been recorded, so I'm trying to help and provide as much explanation that I can. So that if someone is attending the session afterward, they can look into it. Okay, moving into the other opportunity, the second opportunity that we are sharing is the home. So what I'm doing, I'm building homes in Canyon Creek community. It's in Granbury. So Granbury is in the south, is in the west side of Fort Worth. So here we are building like a smaller home that can be sold quickly. It's at a lake community. So this is one of the model that are there. So this is like white brick. So it looks like this and from inside. So these are very basic home because this is the need of those people. So this is how it will look like from inside. So this home that was built from by our group was from last year, and it was 10 feet ceiling. But now what we have changed that over here in the living room, we change the design to 14 feet because we found like many people are interested in 14 feet of homes. So this is now 14 feet. And if we further go down, like this is how, so this is one of the existing home in Granbury looks like. And like so this is the investment scenario. So we are trying to build 1627 square feet home over there. Time to build is 6 months. Time to sell is 0 to 3 months. Construction cost 240,000, including the land price. And contractors, because what I do, like I work with a general contractor to build it. So our cost is around, we have reduced our cost to as much as we can. And then for all individual contractors such as plumber, foundation repair, so we have found and selected few of those contractors who deliver on time and who are the most who have the most reasonable cost, so that we can cut down the cost of building. And those homes are selling for 275 to 295. And so investment pool is 10 investors. So we take 25,000. So for one home we have all the investors. For second home we have like 4 or 5 investors. So we still have places over there if you want to join. Profit expected is like this much, but after selling the selling costs and other costs or any like any kind of buffer, we are expecting 25 to 35K. So per investor we 2.5 to 3.5K. So the home that we are building, it's already like 20% completed. So we plan to complete it in June, and selling like July, August is one of the hottest times. So we expect that your investment return will be within 6 months. So what you can do, even though it will be 10 to 15% profit margin, so it's not extremely good, but it's like an average profit margin. But we will be building more and home in after summer also. So what you can do, you can reinvest it into the new home. So your profit on an annualized basis will be like much more than that. So let's say even if you are making 10% within 6 months, then and you reinvest. So then 1 year, if we still have 10% or more, so you can get like 20% or more in terms of profit on an annualized basis. So, so these are like the type of home, like the smaller homes in that community. And let me show you where exactly it is located for few people who just joined. So uh, this project is located in the west side of Fort Worth. So this is our Dallas. So this is Granbury Lake. So Granbury Lake, so they are like 25,000 population. Population is exploding over there, and even HEB has moved to Granbury. So a lot of job opportunities, and some of the people even come to Fort Worth for job. So this is the community where we are building. So if you have any questions, anything, you can reach out to me, and I will be able to provide you more details. So now I will take any questions for this home construction project from anyone, and then we'll move to quickly to the last opportunity, which is the White Bluff. So any question from anyone? Okay, if none, we'll move to the last opportunity. So this one is White Bluff Resort. So White Bluff Resort is like 3,500 acres secured gated community in the south of Fort Worth. It is, as far as I know, is the largest gated community in Texas. It has around 6,000 lots, and 750 homes have already been built as per the POA. PO means Property Owner Association of White Bluff. So this is the link. You can see more details. So this is how it looks like. They have like 218-hole golf courses. The latest one was ranked 22nd in the nation. So they have competitions and other things that went. So like it's huge plus for this area since it's on the lake, and like you have boating and yaking and other facility. You can do fishing. You have playgrounds. You have 5 operational swimming pool of very high quality. Some religious establishment. You have like big conference room and top of the line restaurants over there. You have 4 operational tennis courts and pickleball. And apart from that, there are more and more amenities over there. So this is like, as I mentioned to you, a little south from Fort Worth, 50 minutes south. So this is a good location if you are using it for your vacation home, or you are considering for your retirement home, or you are basically, what we do, investment. So we have applied to get the builder permit on this community, but they have provided us some requirements due to which we need to build few more homes like in Granbury, and then we will receive the permit. So once we have the permit, we will be able to build homes and sell it to anyone. And like we have a large, apart from myself, so I have like the business partners who are running their own businesses. So with those business partners as well as their clients, since 2021 we started purchasing lots on this area because the prices are extremely cheap, and we have purchased 500 plus lots out of 6,000 so far. And this thing is keep on going on, like every week. So even this month, I'm helping investors to purchase like 15 lots so far. And last month, like there were already like 9 lots that I helped them purchase. So this is only me. My other business partners who are there running their own shows, they are also working with others. So here, one of the catch over there. So these are developed lots, meaning you have all the infrastructure there. You have roads, you have sewerage, you have pipelines. So everything is built. It's not like undeveloped lots. It's a developed lot. In order to develop a lot, costs like 40,000 plus. And here we are finding those developed lots with everything ready to build home for just $10,000-12,000. So that's why we are accumulating. We are purchasing more and more for our builder company as well as investors who would like to purchase with us. So what happens, one of the catch over here, since it's a huge project, in order to fund it, they have a high HOA. So if you only purchase one lot, you have to pay $1,600 per year for that lot as part of HOA charges, and property tax is low, like 200 to $300. But if you buy more, they give you some discount. So if you buy 2 lots, the second lot HOA will become 800, 400, 200, 100, 300. And then after 5 lots, if you have 6, 7, 8, they only charge you $2. So if you are buying more lots like 8, 9, 10 or more for your investments, so you will only pay 3,100 and few dollars per year plus some property taxes. And this, based on how we are seeing the trend from last 3 years, the prices is going steadily up. So and in case any big industries comes and basically start their operation in the south of Fort Worth, yeah, this will be a game changer for this area, because people would like to live in the established resort community, because it takes like hundreds of $1 million to build that type of setup, instead of living like just in a community where there is no amenities. And what we have done, so in order to, for example, if someone is only buying 1 or 2 properties or 3 properties, so what we do, so we buy them under our LLC and provide that person with the investor with the first lien, like a bank first lien, which based on the agreement, like they they hold the lot. So whenever they want, we can sell it. Whenever they want, they can ask the thing back without any penalty or anything. So the only advantage is that then, since we already hold many lots, so if they buy under our name, then like they don't have to pay this one. And in return, since for example, if someone is buying one lot, so $1,600 is like 1 year charges. So for 5 years it will be 8,000, but every year they are increasing. Like say 10% or 15%. So just assume like in 5 years, it's a $10,000 just to hold it. So that basically take away your profit. So even in 5 years, the property price become 2.5 times, then half of it will be gone because of that HOA. So the best option is that you buy it under our LLC, Builder LLC name, and you get the agreement and first lien. So which says like you can get it anytime without any reason. And once you have the first lien, we cannot sell it, we cannot do anything because it can only be done with your approval. So if you need more information, we will be able to provide the details. So that will really help you in terms of the the equity. So for example, if you buy with us one property, so we charge $1,500 for 5 years. So instead of $10,000 that you will be paying directly to HOA. So that's basically we have come up with the system that saves your money, and this is completely legal because the contracts and agreements have been developed by the real estate lawyers. So every 2-3 weeks, I create a list from all the opportunities that are available over there and provide you in green format, like which opportunities are of low price, and share it with in my WhatsApp group. And then people just say that, okay, I need this one, I need that one, and they start reserving. So the one that I shared like last Tuesday, just a week back. So so if you see out of 6,000, they have like around 300 5% of the properties are on sale in this neighborhood. And out of that, only like 55 or 60 are on a good price. Other, they are like very high price, like 25,000 and 15,000, and very small acreage. So, so you know, like I shared this list into my group, and red means, you know, once I share, everyone starts contacting me that please book this for me, and we submit the offer. So as I'm a realtor also, so I submit the offer and lock them. So these are the ones from the investors who have already locked. So there are 24 of them since last Tuesday, and I have submitted offers for them. And the green one are the new one that arrived that are on a good price. So for example, it's 0.16 acres, so they are only asking 6,000. It's a developed lot, and you can start building the homes. So here, if you can see, so column G is like from square footage, so it's going from smaller to larger, smaller square footage to larger. So here you can see the price. So in order to do further due diligence, so if you like it, one of the quick thing that you can do, you can check if the property is not in a flood map. We also check from our MLS system, and you can check it also. This other thing is you go into Maps Google, and let's say if you like this one, okay, books. So in each one of them, you just need to add Whitney, which is the name of the city, Whitney, Texas 76692. So you copy paste it. So this is in our uh, list also that I've shared in my group, and you will see, okay, where exactly it is located. So if you can scroll, you'll see that this is the lake. So it's a little far from the lake because the lot that are near the lake, there are 200, 300 or 400,000 where you can see the lake. The lots that are here, so they are less expensive. If a lot is uh, on the back, you have like smaller lake, again this will be $50,000-$60,000. If you have a golf course behind you, then it should be 20, 30, 35,000. And if there is nothing, then you know, like the price is affordable like this one. So you click write the address like this, and then click on this layer, and you will see how many trees are there. So here, if I can see, so this lot has few trees only. So this is the size of the lot. So it's not as bad as, let me see. So for example, here you see on this side, there are a lot of trees on this side, or in this lot, there are a lot of trees that needs to be removed. Maybe $4,000 to remove the trees for your lot. Here you have some trees, for example, maybe like $2,000. So this is the size of the lot. So this is how you check it, and then there is a website, FEMA flood maps by address. Okay, so this is how you do whenever you go and find a lot to see that it's not in the flood zone. Because if your property is in a flood zone, you will have problem selling it. So you write it over here and you search for it. And when you click over here, then it will open it like this. So this is like the flood map. So flood map means within 100 years, there's a one time the flood will come. And when it will come, it will go in this direction. So your property, this property is not in a flood zone. If your property was over here or here, then I always recommend to my client that never ever go for that property. I see that a few people joined little late, so I'm recording this session also. So what you can do that you can connect and basically review the part that you have missed. Okay, so that's it on this one and the type of deals that you can look into it. So I have already published them in my group. If you have not received, I will send it to you again. So now coming back to our slide. So any questions so far on this one, this opportunity? Yes. So anyone has any question, please ask. Okay. So if you have any questions after this meeting, please feel free to reach out to me. And I hope you all have joined my WhatsApp group. So if not, wherever you have seen the invitation, please join that group. And for any real estate investment or purchases, you can feel free to connect with me. I can provide you guidance, anything. Even if you are not purchasing through me, I will still provide you some suggestions that may help you in your buying decision. Okay, so thank you very much, everyone, and please check out for the next training session in my WhatsApp group. Okay, bye, everyone.